Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. This week I'm sharing a napkin technique project with you all, or a decoupage project. I used a wooden tea box, and it even says tea, or actually thee, which is the Dutch word for tea. And I didn't use any design paper this time, but napkins. So let me tell you what I did. I ripped the napkin around the pattern that I wanted. So it's not the entire thing that is covered with napkins, but just the bird and the branches and the leaves that you see here. And the rest I painted. And I did several layers, and I also sponged it a bit. So this is the effect that you see here. So sponged it with different colors of green. So I made sure it ran through the pattern here, and this is the side. So again I tore the napkin and painted around it. So I did not paint it first and then napkin on top of it, because then the dark green would darken the entire pattern. So I first decoupaged the napkin, then painted around it, sponged around it. So it actually took some meticulous painting there. And same here as the back. And look at the lovely effect of the sponging here. And some of the leaves are running through here. So there you go. Then I used some glitter effect on the wings here. And the word tea, or thee, it wasn't even intentional at first. I simply did not paint it white. I just started decoupaging and only then realized that OMG, now it's going transparent. But actually I like the effect. It's like it has been stamped on top of it, whereas it's actually coming through from the bottom. So I actually like the effect in hindsight. Well, some glitters here just to decorate it a bit. So I let everything dry, then added another layer of the podge that I used to decoupage, because the podge also works as a varnish. And then because I was afraid that I would eventually tip my teacup all over it and make it wet, etc. And I didn't want to ruin it, so I covered it with another layer of actual varnish. And I use a special varnish for boats, because boats are in the water, so they can handle anything liquid. So there's a layer of actual boat varnish all around this box. So I am safe from my own clumsiness. So there you go. I hope you like this idea. It's a great gift to give to someone. You could paint the inside. I haven't done that except for these edges here. And then you can fill it up with some tea. And it's a lovely gift, or you can keep it yourself, of course. So I hope you like this idea. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press that like button, you guys, if you want to keep watching my videos every week. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.